This video we are going to cover how to make the payment of AWS by using credit card, net banking or another asset. So first, suppose when you are logging into your AWS console, here you just need to type billing. Once you click on the billing, you will be land on this page. After that, you need to go into the payment method and then click on the make payment. If you want to add a new card, if or otherwise if you want to add a new account, from here you can add the account. And also there is one option for the recurring payment. So the payment less than 10,000, if you selected this option, it will be going to automatically charge every month. So read here, your default credit card is set up for recurring payment and will be automatically charged every month to pay your monthly invoice under 10,000 rupees. But what is happening, you can see I already chooses this recurring payment for default payment method, but somehow AWS is not able to deduct my payment in automatically. So in that case, what I need to do, I need to land into this screen, then I need to click make payment. And from this is my total billing, and from here I just need to click on the verify and pay. So currently I have only one card, that is the default one, so it's showing one row here. But if you have multiple payment option, in that case it will be show all the payment option, and from here you can select the card from which you need to make the transaction. And here you need to put the CVV number, and after that you need to click on the complete payment. And the AWS going to redirect to you on the payment gateway page. And from here you need to add the CVV OTP, and once you add the OTP and click on the process, it will going to deduct your payment. बताइए OTP. हो गया. I put it down my OTP, and after that it will be going to redirect me back into the AWS side. And here you need to make sure your so currently I made a payment, but here I again get a option to make a payment, and let me check. But now I don't have any swipe, like this means my payment is done. And how to check the billing, so you need to click on the bills, and after that you need to select the July invoice. And from here still my payment is not updated here, so it will going to take 5 or 10 minutes, and after that we are able to see the payment summary. Payment summary, now you can see the line item, and today I just made the payment. So this is the whole process how we can make a payment over AWS. Thank you everyone.